In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have different headers for each page in Word. If you're formatting a document in Word and need a completely different header on every single page, like different chapter titles, subheadings, or category names, Word's default settings will keep copying the same text across your whole file. Let me show you how to set up different ones for each page quickly. Firstly, to give every page its own unique header, we need to divide your document into separate sections. Place your cursor at the very end of page 1 like this. Then go up to the ribbon and select the Layout tab here. Click Breaks, which are right here, and then choose the next page like this. Your cursor will jump to the top of the next page, creating a clean section break behind the scenes. Now that your pages are separated into sections, we need to break the connection between the headers. You could just double click the top margin on page 2 right here and enter this header editing mode. Look at the top ribbon under the header and footer tab in the navigation group, click link to previous, and this will turn it off here. Notice how the label reading same as previous vanishes from the right side of your header box, and you can now type your new custom title on page 2 without affecting page 1 at all. And simply repeat this section break and unlink process for any other pages that need unique text. And a pro tip here, adding action breaks can sometimes cause Word to accidentally restart page numbers back at one of your new sections. If that ever happens, stay in the header and footer and then click page number here on the top ribbon and then select format page numbers here. Then at the bottom of this window that pops up, select continue from the previous section and press OK. And that's it. That's how to have different headers for each page in Microsoft Word. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.